Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you some of my ride or die favorite products of this year. This video is in collaboration with lookfantastic.com, which is an online web shop. They sell a lot of makeup, so therefore I'm teaming up with them to show you guys my favorite products which are available on their website as well. If you are a long-time subscriber and you have watched a lot of my videos, you know that a lot of products, I think actually every product that I'm gonna talk today about are products that you guys have seen me use before. So this is not gonna be a video where you see like some new random products which I'm only promoting because it's on their website. No, absolutely not. These are products which I've been using non-stop the last couple of years. Actually years, like not only this year, some of the products I've been using for years. So it's just nice because maybe you have seen me using some products and you were really interested in buying them, but maybe they were too expensive. Now it's Black Friday, so they have some amazing deals on their website. So this is like a really nice opportunity. If you want to buy them, they're now all on sale, which is awesome. Also, don't worry, I'm not naked. I'm wearing a top, but you can't really see it. Also, like always, I'm gonna list all the products that I'm gonna talk about today in the description bar together where you can get it with the discount and all the information. So I think we're just gonna dive right into the video. If you want to know some of my current favorite products, keep on watching. So the first product is the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palettes. I just really like this palette. I've been using it non-stop on my channel. I even have a playlist where I have all my videos that I made using this palette. I think there are at least 20 videos, maybe more, maybe a little bit less, I don't know, but something around that number. I just used it non-stop and I also use it very often on a daily basis. It just has a lot of neutrals which I think are really nice for everyday wear. It has a few pop of colors for if you want to do something else, but I mainly personally use it for the neutrals. I just think these are really beautiful. I think the shades are really easy to blend. They don't have a lot of color fallout. And I would recommend it to everyone who asks, like, if you're searching for a nice palette with a lot of neutral colors, I would really recommend this palette. Then now the next product is this blush by MAC Cosmetics. It's in the shade Peaches. It's such a beautiful color. I'm wearing it right now. I think it goes really well with like a lot of lip colors because there's not too much. It's just a really nice soft color which I absolutely love. I use it every day. I just really like it. So definitely if you're searching for a nice blush for everyday wear, you will love this. Then now next, my current favorite highlighter, which is this one by Bobbi Brown. It's in the shade Afternoon Glow. There's just something about this highlighter which I really like. I think it's the color. Like, first I used a lot of highlighters which are very golden, champagne that kind of undertone, but this one is more rose gold and I just feel like it suits so much better with my skin. It looks way more natural. It just blends in really nice instead of that you would kind of see it laying on top of the skin. I'm not wearing it right now. I'm actually wearing a different highlighter which I tried for the first time, but I feel like this one is more golden and this one is more like my own skin, and I really like that. This is like my go-to highlighter for every day. But you know, sometimes when I film a video I have to use different kind of highlighters because you guys want to see like new products that have recently launched. But this one is like my go-to highlighter which I would use every day, any day. If I would like choose one highlighter, this is probably gonna be it, just because it suits my skin color so well. Then now the next product is this translucent powder by Laura Mercier. I think this is a powder which is a favorite product from a lot of people. It's just really beautiful, really natural. It doesn't give you a flashback when you take a picture. If your skin is a little bit darker than mine, maybe it can turn a little bit ashy, so be careful with that. But if you are my skin color and lighter, you are really gonna like this powder because it just looks really natural. It doesn't make your skin look dry. I use it every day and I absolutely love it. And what I also like is that it's translucent, so it's not really gonna make your foundation look different unless you have like deeper skin tone than me. But if you are around my skin color, it's just gonna look translucent. It's just gonna make your face look flawless, but without like messing up your foundation or anything. Now I got this kit, which is actually the same powder. It's the translucent powder, but it comes in this kit and it has a little puff. Not sure if it's the same price. I will link it down if it is. But it's just like a gift that you can get for yourself, or maybe give it as a gift to someone else. So you get the powder, but also a powder puff, which I think is really cute. Then now next we have this lip pencil from MAC Cosmetics, which is in the color Strip Down. This is just a ride or die lip pencil. It goes with every nude. It's just a really beautiful, warm nude brownie kind of color. I just think it's absolutely beautiful. I think this is my 6th or 7th lip liner already in this color. I just can't get enough of it. I think if you would ask me like, I need a nice lip liner for a nude lip color, I would suggest to get this one just because it's so nice and it just goes well with any nude lip color. Then now my favorite mascara, which I use in every video, so you guys are probably not surprised that I'm mentioning this one. It's the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara. This just makes my lashes look so good. It really separates the lashes, it makes them super long. And you guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, I make close-up pictures of my eyes, which are super high quality, so you see everything, every little clump. And this one just makes my lashes look amazing. I will make sure to put a picture right here so you guys can see it if you don't follow me on Instagram. But I just really love this mascara. I always wear fake eyelashes, so I think because I've been using lashes for so long, and I always like kind of rip off my own natural lashes when I take off my fake lashes, that there's not much left of my upper lashes, unfortunately. But for my lower lashes, like, this one is absolutely the bomb. Then next, also a product by Benefit, which is the Hoola Bronzer. Back in the days, I used to use this sometimes, but I felt like it didn't really look good on me. Too dark. I think back then I didn't use a lot of fake tan. Now I do use fake tan, so I'm a lot darker than my own natural skin. Like, I'm really pale, like, I think, like, yeah, really pale. You can't really see that right now, but this used to be too dark for me. But now that I'm using more fake tan, like, I try to like reapply it every week. So most of the time I'm around this skin color or even darker. Like, it has already faded a little bit. But now I'm really liking this one just because it really goes well with the fake tan and the foundation color that I use to adjust with my body. So I've been using this also a lot in my videos. I just really like it to bronze up the forehead, to contour my jawline, and underneath, oh, this is my jawline, and also to contour my cheekbones. I'm using it right now and I just really like it. So basically every time I film an eye makeup look, I make pictures afterwards. So I kind of have to make sure that everything that I apply on my eyes, that it photographs really well, because sometimes when you use eyeliner and you use flash, it doesn't look great on camera. So most of the time I use black gel eyeliner, and then I use a liquid liner on top of it to make it really intense. So it really how do you say it in English? So it really photographs well, if that makes sense. But on a daytime, I don't always want to wear like gel eyeliner and a liquid eyeliner. I just want to be quick. I just want to use something which is just really easy to use. And I think this eyeliner by Eyeko, this is a new one. I have a one that I used already here in my drawer, which is this one. It's just really nice. Like, it has a really precise tip. It's just easy to use. It doesn't dry out quickly. I think out of all the liquid liners I have, which come in a pen form, this one is my favorite. It's just really easy to use, and I think for eyeliner it's already hard enough. So you definitely want to use a product which makes it even more easy, and this one is bomb. Then now next, I think this is the product which stood out for me most this year. The Stila Cosmetics Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadows. I am just obsessed with these. Like, I don't even have words for it. I just really love them and I want to use them every day. I use them very often, like when I'm not filming. I've been using them a lot when I am filming. I think I've done a lot of videos using them. Look Fantastic actually sent me a shade which I haven't used yet, which is called Rose Gold Retro. This shade looks so pretty and I'm gonna do a video with it real soon. I can't wait to use it. It looks so beautiful. But if I would say, like, what is your favorite product of this year? I think I would say the Stila Liquid Glitter and Glow, just because I think they're so beautiful and I would recommend them to everyone to try. The sparkles are just out of this world. I actually just filmed a video, and just before I wanted to film this video, I just added a little bit of the Stila Glitter and Glow, which is this one in the color Dullish. Just a little bit in the center. I just really like to do like eye looks, and then at the end I just apply a color, the ones that really suit with the look that I'm wearing. Just apply a little bit in the center, and it just makes the whole eye look even more pretty and just really glamorous. And I just really like them. I can't tell you guys enough. If you are searching for a nice eyeshadow product, get these. These are just amazing. So now the next product is also a product by Benefit Cosmetics. It's the new brow styler. I went to Tokyo with Benefit when they launched this product, and to be honest, when we got there, like, I didn't know like what the product was that they were gonna launch. It was a secret. Well, more of a surprise, to be honest. And when they launched it, like, I didn't know what it was, so when they launched it, I was like, oh, another brow product. I just felt like I just expected something else. And a lot of people actually said like, another brow product. It didn't look like, or didn't sound like really special. But the morning after they launched the product, I tried it out obviously, and I just really like it. I know it's just a brow product, but you know, brows are so important to me, and this is a really easy product to use. Just like I said with the eyeliner, like, when I'm not filming, I just want to be quick. I want to use products which are giving me a nice result, but with not too much hassle. I just want to be quick and get nice result, just with the eyeliner that I was talking about. And this is just really nice because the brow styler by Benefit, it has one side which is a pencil, and the other side has a powder, which is like, yeah, it's a little bit different than other brow products, but it has powder in here. And then you have this applicator, and you can just fill in your brows, and I just really like it. It's easy to use. I feel like it gives a really natural finish. I just really like the powder. It just does something to the brows which makes it look really natural, and also to photograph, it's really nice. And then this is the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoyed watching my top 10 favorites from Look Fantastic. I will make sure to list all the products down in the description bar in case you want to purchase any of them. Also, let me know if you would be interested in seeing a video where I apply all my favorite products of this year, like from skincare to foundation, the whole jizzle. Let me know if that's something you're interested in. Maybe I can post a video in December. And yeah, that's it. I really hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!